Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas! Yes, it's December 25th, guys. The last one. It's 25 Christmas Countdown Crept Along with my crafty styles to go over and see what she did. Today is ATC card, Santa theme. Woohoo! I hope you got what you asked for underneath the Christmas tree. I'll tell you all about what I got later. Because I don't know yet. Because this is the 24th. So... because I have a busy morning. So, I'm probably home when this will go up. Because I've been loading them for 3:30 in the afternoon. So, I'm probably back from Diamonds. The wonderful breakfast that she puts on every year. And I may be sleeping. I don't know. Alright, guys. So, let's get started on this last project. It is Santa-themed ATC cards. So, I got my deck of cards out here, and I got some stickers. I got some other stuff sitting here. Let's see what I can come up with. I'm liking this Santa right here, or this one on the tractor. So, I don't know yet. Then I have this Santa. And then I like this Christmas, Merry Christmas right here. So, let's start. And I got these two papers out. So if I kind of pick this Santa, it'll blend with the background. I think both of them actually is. So I'm thinking about going with this one. I think this is so pretty. So we'll go with this one. And like I said, I haven't decided which one I want to use exactly. But let's do the ATC card first. So this one's out. We ain't using it. Let's flip it over. Ooh. Nope. I'll stick with that one. I try to find ones that are small, small print for the background. Now I see the polka dot. Let's take this out of the packet. Oh, look at the cute cowboy boots. This is a Hobby Lobby one I bought. That's so adorable. Ooh, we can actually see. Ooh. Yeah, I'm going with polka dots. See what happens? Take something out of the package. And it'll look nice. So even if I go with that one, or there's an, oh look at Merry Christmas there too. I like the cowboy boots. So we're going to go with this Santa. I like him. So, let's do this, guys. I'm very proud of myself on this because I used to take this paper out of the magazine and I would copy it, so I didn't use the original. Well, then I'm like, you know what, Tina, start using all the originals. So I have started using all the original paper, and I'm pretty stoked that I did that. I think I may have cut this too short. We will see. Oh, by a smidgen. But you know what? I'll do what I did last time. So we bent this over. Get the bone folder sitting here on my desk. That off. Really good. I'm just going to trim a little bit off this edge. Just move it up some. There we go. Okay. Oh, I gotta get my glue. Okay. It's a Merry Christmas. It's been a fast December. It just seems like it was December 1st yesterday for some reason. That's how I feel. It's like, where did it go? You know what I mean? Is it just me, or did it seem like December went way fast? I don't know. I think this year, time seems to go fast these days. I don't know why. It just seems like it's faster. Maybe because I'm getting older? I don't know. But it just seems like my life is going way too fast. And I want it to slow down. Okay. There we go. Works for me. Get my glue. Wow, I'm really not thinking here. I gotta put this down first. Don't know what I was thinking there. There we go. Yeah. And boom. Okay. Whoopsie. All right. Here we go. Our ATC background. Now, we're going to use this Santa. I think he's adorable. I think he's really cool. I like him. But I'm going to it looks like he's on vacation, kind of. Don't you think he looks like he's on vacation? We're going to finish off with some snow. Yes, we are. Last time he was in the snow. Go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Just gonna do some tapping. Back, come on, give me some. I'm gonna just stick it in. Just tap. You know. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. It looks like it's no background. Now, we're going to take Santa. Nope, we're going to pick a tree first. Get this cool little tree. Just going to stick it down. Right there. And Santa. Drinking his cocoa. My Santa's drinking cocoa. Some other Santa could be in his cowboy boots. This is so cute. Another Santa could be drinking his coffee. My Santa's actually drinking chai tea. That's what I drink. And we got this banner. Merry Christmas. We'll just put it in the top. And flatten that down. Make sure they stay down. Let's see what else we got on here. What does that say? Stay warm. We'll just see. I kind of like his truck in front of him on the snow. There we go. Okay. God. I have to have a red truck, and all this I didn't do one red truck. So today is the day for the red truck. It's going to go in front of Santa, like so, right in front of the tree. Not so much in front of Santa, but in front of the tree. We're just going to press that down so you can still see his coffee. Over the snow a little bit. That's cool. Now I'm going to take this back out, and I'm just going to just kind of, if it stays, I don't know, we'll see. Might not stay on the sticker. I wanted to get some on his, like above the tires, so it looks like the rest of it. So we're just going to kind of go lightly. Oh, there we go. It's doing something. There. Oh, okay. A little bit. There we go. So it looks like he's traveling on the same snow. Except my sticker's hanging over, so I snipped out of here. There we go. Just a little bit. Look at his tires. There we go, guys. There we go. The very last one of the 25 Christmas countdown. ATC card. Boom. Santa theme. In a red truck. I had to put a red truck. I know it's kind of hard because of stickers. There. I'm trying. They're glary. So everybody, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you for coming and watching all 25 videos if you did. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. Please go check out Tammy's last project as well. I will also have a video coming up that I'm going to do all of them and show every day in one video. So if you didn't follow along, you can only see all of them. And I'll have that up for the 26th. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.